Hey, what's going on guys? Tanmay here for Telugu Learnings and welcome back to another video tutorial under JQuery UI. And in this video tutorial, we are going to be understanding the theme ruler or theming in JQuery UI. So if you've been following this entire JavaScript for Beginners tutorial playlist, in the previous few video tutorials, we've been going through concepts of JQuery UI. So we started off with plain JavaScript, then we moved on to JQuery core library, and now we are on JQuery UI, which is another library built on top of JQuery. And in jQuery UI, we get a lot of components like front-end widgets, interactions, and whatnot. So we've covered a lot of widgets, we've covered a couple of interactions also. If you have missed those videos, do check out this entire playlist. But today we are going to be talking about a concept of themes in jQuery UI. So since this entire jQuery UI library focuses more on user interface, it offers a lot of customizations when it comes to the look and feel of the widgets and of pretty much everything that it provides. So let's actually go to their official webpage. So when you visit their official website, that is jQueryui.com, just click on this themes, and here you can see that there is a concept of theme ruler, and this is the base theme. Okay, so if you come on to our code right now, you can see we have created three things, that is the calendar control widget, the accordion, and we also have a custom message box. So if you just scroll down, this is the code for the date picker or the calendar control. This is that dialog box. And this is the accordion, okay? So here we are not going to be coding anything today. We're just going to be changing the look and feel, that is the color theme of these different components. So coming to their official webpage again, so you can see the color is blue over here. And if you see all these widgets which are provided by jQuery UI, so they are following a similar color theme, right? So the highlighting is always in blue, and this is the same color blue. You can see for the tabs also, if I click on the button, if I select any of the icons, if I select any of the date, it becomes blue. There is progress bar, there is select menu. So pretty much everything is following a similar color theme. So this is basically the base color theme. But what if you want customizations? So when you come on this themes tab, that is the theme ruler concept, what you can do is here you can change all of this. And right now you can see the option is roll your own, which means it is telling you that you can customize each and everything, starting from font settings, that is the family, the weight, the size, the corner radius, the toolbars, the content, and everything you can do from scratch. We are not going to be doing that level of customization. So let's say you're making a complete professional website, but the client wants a green theme, right? He wants a green primary color, but right now it is blue, right? So you can see in the clickable active state, this is blue. So you can come over here and you can literally change this color to green. You can see it is changed, and now everything is going to be green. So this is your roll your own concept. Right now we are not going to do that because this will be like very detailed coloring and we don't want to do that. There is one more tab over here which is gallery. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay, I hope it is visible now. When you go to this gallery, you can see there are some predefined options. So this one was the base theme wherein everything was blue. Now you can see this is one more theme, UI lightness. If I click on it, there you go, you can see the accordion changes and things become yellow in color. This is the slider, this is the calendar control and whatnot. Similar to this, we have different themes, and whichever theme you select, you can directly download it. So let's select one. I'm going to select this one. Let's see this one. This is the eggplant theme. Looks okay. What I'll do is I'll just download it. So when you download it, you'll be taken to this download builder, and here you can select the which stable version of jQuery version you want. You can also select different components that you want from this color. So let's say you don't want a particular widget or a particular component, you can uncheck it over here. We're not going to get into that because that will be very detailed thing. Let's say you don't want accordion. So you can uncheck this and the accordion theme color will not be downloaded. Okay. Right now we're going to be keeping everything selected and just click on download. So once you click on download, your download will begin. And there you go. You can see my download is done. I'll right click on it and show in folder. If I right click and extract it, I'll just extract it over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename it jQuery UI and I'm going to give it the name of eggplant because that was the name of the theme, right? Now if I open this, okay, I'm getting one more folder. I have to rename this one and not the outside one. I'm going to change it to jQuery UI -eggplant. Now inside this, you can see a similar folder hierarchy. Now let's come to our actual code. So coming to our actual code folder. So this is our actual code folder. And this is that newly downloaded jQuery UI eggplant code folder. So into our jQuery UI folder, you can see this is the same exact folder hierarchy just like we have over here. Which means that what has happened is the entire jQuery UI eggplant folder that we just downloaded has the new custom styling with the new CSS. So what we can do is we can directly copy this, come to our code folder and just paste it. So I'm just pasting this entire folder over here. I'm gonna rename it so that I can copy this name. Now if I come to our code, what I'm gonna do is, you can see over here we have given jQuery UI, right? So I'm just gonna change this to jQuery eggplant. So once I change that, there you go, you can see everything has changed over here. And I also have to make the change over here in the JS, and that's about it. You can see the entire color theme has changed to the eggplant theme, and this is because everything inside the folder of jQuery UI eggplant has the same names, just that the styling inside them is different, right? So that's why now when you're using this jQuery UI eggplant folder, everything inside structure wise is the same, but the CSS is different, the jQuery is different, and the styling is different. So that's why you're getting this kind of styling. So now you can see you have different options when it comes to the user interface also. Just go to the themes. As I mentioned, you can also customize it yourself. Let's say client has very specific requirements. Let's say he wants accordion as green, but the button selection as blue and the tabs as red. So you can go ahead and do that also. Everything can be done. And if you have a particular theme in mind, you could also get the part. And let's say you want to edit this theme. So the one we downloaded was eggplant, right? You can even edit that particular theme. Just click on edit, and then now you can change the color of this theme also. So the look and feel changes over here. We have different font over here, and we add the different font in the base theme. So you can change that also. So a lot of customizations can be done, and once you do the complete customization, just click on download theme and use that folder instead of the base folder. So you can have base folder also in your code, and then you can have different themes which you can download and rename them with a different folder name. And then in the code you just have to change the folder structure. That is the folder name. The structure of the inner files are always going to be same. The name is also going to be same. Okay, so this is something that I just wanted to show you because this will give you a lot of customizations. Now you can style your widgets according to your need, according to the client's need if you want, and the color theme that you select. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. This was just a quick topic on theme roller or themes in jQuery UI, wherein you get a lot of customizations in terms of the look and feel of the widgets and of the front end components. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.